Placing a walk-in closet behind the bed is a clever design move that blends form and function while optimizing space. By using the bed as a natural divider, this layout allows the bedroom to remain visually calm while the closet becomes a hidden yet accessible extension. Depending on the design style, the transition between sleep and storage can feel seamless, dramatic, cozy, or high-tech, proving that practical solutions can still be deeply expressive. Let's take a closer look on each style.
The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
In a Japandi-style bedroom, integrating a walk-in closet behind the bed allows you to preserve the calm, grounded energy central to the aesthetic. The bed becomes a subtle threshold between rest and function, shielding the closet in a way that doesn't disturb the serenity of the space. This style is rooted in balance, Japanese minimalism meeting Scandinavian warmth, so materials should feel honest and unforced. To reinforce that harmony, opt for sliding panels made of warm wood or translucent paper-like materials that provide gentle privacy without fully enclosing the area. Keep the closet design open and uncluttered, favoring low shelving, wooden hangers, and minimal hardware. This approach ensures the bedroom remains a retreat while the closet remains a quietly integrated utility. A walk-in closet positioned behind the bed in an Art Deco-inspired bedroom introduces a sense of theatrical drama and structured glamour. Art Deco interiors love symmetry, sheen, and rich materials, so the bed itself can serve as a centerpiece. Perhaps a velvet or leather-upholstered headboard with scalloped edges or a sunburst motif, framing a discreet entryway into a closet that feels like a private dressing room. Inside, you can layer reflective surfaces like smoked mirrors, black lacquered cabinets, and brass or chrome fixtures to elevate the sense of luxury. Consider installing symmetrical sconces or geometric patterned wall panels that lead into the closet, subtly nodding to the style's architectural roots. The space should feel indulgent, cinematic, and bold, but never chaotic. In a rustic modern setting, placing the walk-in closet behind the bed reinforces the natural meets industrial character of the space while maximizing spatial flow. The headboard wall can be designed using rough-hewn or reclaimed wood, offering texture and visual warmth that separates the sleeping area from the dressing zone. This backdrop acts both as an aesthetic statement and a functional divider. Inside the closet, choose clean-lined storage solutions with matte black hardware, metal rods, and minimalist open shelving. This style thrives on contrast, raw textures against smooth surfaces, so balance would grain with polished concrete or steel elements. The overall feeling should be casual but curated, modern yet rooted in organic honesty. A walk-in closet behind the bed is a perfect fit for a soft monochrome luxury aesthetic, as it allows the space to remain streamlined, tonal, and deeply restful. The bedroom should feel like an envelope of texture in soft grays, creams, taupes, or blush tones, with the bed positioned as an anchor rather than a barrier. Behind it, the closet is integrated with seamless cabinetry and tactile finishes. Think suede, lacquered linen, or velvet panels that wrap around the headboard and closet wall. The design should downplay hard edges and focus instead on curves, softness, and light diffusion. Inside the closet, soft LED lighting, mirrored drawers, and fabric-lined compartments create an elegant yet functional environment that enhances the luxurious flow of the space. In a dark academia bedroom, the walk-in closet behind the bed becomes part of a rich narrative, like a hidden study tucked away in an old university library. The bed might be framed by tall built-in bookcases or dark wood paneling that discreetly opens to a cozy, shadowy dressing space. The closet itself should carry the same mood: deep mahogany or walnut shelving, aged brass hardware, perhaps a vintage chandelier overhead. Lining the inside with moody wallpaper, botanical prints, literary quotes, or Baroque florals adds a touch of eccentric charm. Use thick velvet drapes or hidden doors disguised as shelving to keep the closet's entrance mysterious. The entire space should feel private, intellectual, and evocative, like something pulled from an old novel. In a tropical, organic, modern bedroom, the walk-in closet tucked behind the bed brings a refreshing, resort-like sense of flow and openness. The style thrives on natural light, ventilation, and an effortless blending of the indoors and out. To define the closet area, use slatted wood or woven rattan panels behind the bed that filter light and air while creating visual separation. Within the closet, open shelving with woven baskets, teak wood drawers, and hanging space accented by potted greenery enhance the feeling of ease and movement. This space should feel like it breathes, free from clutter, full of texture, and softly lit. Opt for linen or cotton closet curtains instead of doors to enhance flexibility and keep the design airy and tactile. In a futuristic setting, placing a smart closet pod behind the bed transforms the bedroom into a high-functioning hub of technology and design. This isn't just storage, it's an integrated living system. The headboard may double as an interface, with touch-sensitive panels or voice-activated lighting that leads to a modular walk-in closet fitted with auto-sorting wardrobes, rotating racks, and ambient sensors. Use glossy white, matte black, or iridescent surfaces for a clean, sci-fi effect. Smart glass panels that shift between transparent and opaque modes create privacy on demand. Inside the closet, use motion-activated lighting and app-controlled compartments for the ultimate inconvenience. This setup is ideal for those who see their home not only as a sanctuary but as a launchpad into the future. For a vintage Parisian apartment-inspired space, the walk-in closet behind the bed should feel like a hidden jewel box, elegant, romantic, and full of charm. Use a tall, curving headboard in tufted velvet or silk that frames the entrance to the closet in a soft, theatrical way. Inside, let the design echo a 19th-century dressing room with ornate moldings, arched mirrors, and antique-style hardware. Wallpaper in delicate florals or toile prints adds to the storybook feel. Install a vintage chandelier or a petite dressing table with a French chair to complete the scene. The goal is for the closet to feel like a personal salon, more about beauty and experience than just storage. In a desert Bohemian bedroom, a walk-in closet behind the bed can feel sun-drenched, soulful, and spontaneous. The division between sleep space and closet should be loose and layered, maybe a natural clay plaster wall with soft curves or a textile screen made of woven wool or hand-dyed linen. The closet itself can feature open shelving with rustic wood, terracotta-toned bins, and a mix of baskets and hanging rods. Drape string lights or layer in hand-woven rugs to soften the space and invite personal expression. Skip traditional doors. Use gauzy curtains or fringe textiles to create a relaxed threshold that feels both inviting and practical. A walk-in closet behind the bed in a Scandinavian industrial space blends raw functionality with minimalist elegance. Picture a headboard wall made from light plywood, ribbed glass, or blackened steel, simple and unpretentious, concealing a closet filled with clean lines and exposed mechanical elements. The closet might feature open steel frames, muted tone drawers, and pegboard-style organization. At the same time, touches of cozy Scandinavian design, like felt bins, soft lighting, and muted textiles, warm up the harder edges. It's a delicate balance between utilitarian honesty and calm, composed simplicity. Use the closet space to echo the rest of the home, efficient, beautiful, and refreshingly straightforward.